Hi guys, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Now, let's start the video. Have you ever thought that a command prompt can be used as a messenger? Yes, it's possible, and you can do it yourself. By using command prompts as a chat messenger, you can chat through a network, like schools or office networks, i.e. you can talk to your friend without downloading any chat software. Follow these steps to chat using command prompt. Open your notepad and here you have to type a batch script. Type show echo off :A on the next line. Here we assigned her as a variable. It could be any character. Then type CLS on the next line. It stands for clear screen. Then type echo messenger. Here echo is used to display any comment or message on the screen. Here we want to display messenger on the screen, but you can display anything. Then type set pn equals user, which is the user input for the receiver's IP address. Similarly, type set pm equals message, which is also the user input for message to be sent. Type net send %n%%m%. This command will send your message to the computer matches the IP address. We will type pause at the end to show that the program has been ended. This will take IP, this will take the message, this will perform the action, and this will pause the program. If you want to put a loop here, then type goto and then mention the name of the variable above. Now, our program is ready. Now, we will save this file. An important thing to remember is save it as a .bat file, then it will become a batch file. The file is saved and now we will run it. Here I will input any IP just as an example. Hit enter. Here input your message and hit enter. It's done. But here's a very important thing. You just open your command prompt. You can open it from the Start button, then search for CMD. You can also find it by pressing Windows +R and then type CMD and hit enter. But I have pinned it on the taskbar. Open it and type the command, Control Admin Tools, and hit enter. An Administrative Tools window will open. Here you will open Component Services. Here click on Local Services. Here is the list of all the services. You just scroll down and find Messaging Services. Open it. Click on Start. Click on OK. Close all the windows. And now you are ready for the chat. Chat with the same procedure. Here you will enter IP address of any device connected to your network. Enter the message and it's done. Now let's revise these steps. Number 1. Write this batch program on Notepad. Number 2. Save it as .bat file. Number 3. Open the administrative tools. You can also access these tools from Control Panel, but I have opened these using Command Prompt. Number 4. Open the component services. Number 5. Click on Local Services and then choose Messaging Services from the list. Number 6. Finally, click on Start and then click on OK. Have fun! I hope you liked that video. Like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.